How to create a new partition in Windows 10 or 11. So to start, the first thing that we need to do is to go at the bottom part of the screen and then search for Desk Management. After that, it will automatically open the Desk Management settings. And then in here, as you can see, I only have 3 partitions. So before we create a new partition, keep in mind to don't touch the Healthy System partition and the Healthy Recovery partition. The only thing that we can edit here is the Windows C. So what I need to do here is to right click on this one. After that, the pop-up menu will appear. We'll have to tap on the shrink volume option. And then we'll just have to wait for a little. After that, you will now see this one. In here, we'll have to input or enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. Keep in mind that 1000 megabytes is 1 gigabytes. So, as you can see here, I have 201,000 and then 996 megabytes. I'm going to change this one to 100,000 megabytes. After that, I'll have to tap on the shrink option and then we'll just have to wait for a little again. Once we're done, as you can see, it automatically created this volume here. All I need to do is to right click on this one, tap on the new sample volume, and then in here simply tap on the next option, and then continue tapping on the next option until you see the option finish. Once we're done, as you can see here, I now have a new volume D. If I go back and then open my PC, in here you will now see my new partition. So that's how easy we can create a new partition in Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.